Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and one of the types of situations that we deal with sometimes, unfortunately, deals with the death of a worker who is subject to the Alabama workers' compensation laws. They could have either worked for an Alabama-based company, the accident event could have occurred in Alabama. There's many factors that go into this, and they're all case specific. But one of the first things that we have to determine is whether or not this is an Alabama workers' comp death case. And there's, again, fact specific will determine that. But for this purposes, let's assume that it is. Then we have to move to the next part of our review is to determine whether or not there are family members who are eligible to receive those death benefits on behalf of or because of the death of the injured family member. And it really, you have to look at who are considered dependents. And dependents are those people such as a surviving spouse, minor children in the household, and there's several others in the list, and there is a priority of that. The amount of death benefits is going to be determined by the average weekly wage and whatever the state minimum and maximum are at the time. The benefits can be paid up to 500 weeks. But there's more specifics. Every case is a little bit different. There's also funeral benefits that are available up to $6,500 that can be paid. And then lastly, one of the more important things is there must be a claim for death benefits must be made within a 2-year time period. So if you have these questions or this kind of a situation within your family, please give us a call. We've dealt with this on unfortunately, we've dealt with it on many occasions. We can be reached at 205-930-6900, nomberglaw.com. We also are on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.